In this video, we'll be going over 3 shortcuts to simplifying fractions. The first shortcut is canceling the zeros. For example, if we have a fraction such as 600 over 7,000, we can cancel the zeros, but we have to be careful to cancel the same amount of zeros in the numerator and the denominator. So we cancel 1 from the numerator and 1 from the denominator, another from the numerator and another from the denominator, and we see that there's 1 0 left over, which we cannot cancel because there isn't another 0 in the numerator. So that gives us 6 over 70. Another example could be 20 over 40. So we can cancel 1 0 from the numerator and 1 0 from the denominator, giving us 2 over 4, making it a bit easier for us to simplify. And this gives us 1/2. If you're unsure as to how I got 1/2 from 2 over 4, you can watch my previous video explaining how we simplify fractions using the greatest common factor. The second shortcut is to simplify, then multiply. This means if we're multiplying 2 fractions, such as 2 over 3 times 9 over 16, we can find the greatest common factor between the diagonal numbers and divide the numbers by that number. This will give us the most simple fraction after we multiply. So in this case, the greatest common factor between 2 and 16 is 2. So we divide 2 by 2, giving us 1, and divide 16 by 2, giving us 8. And the greatest common factor between 3 and 9 is 3, meaning 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So now we have 1 over 1 times 3 over 8, which is 3 over 8. And the last shortcut is that if either the numerator or the denominator evenly goes into the other, then that number is the greatest common factor. And here I have noted that evenly means without any remainder. For example, if we have 25 over 50, we see that 25 evenly goes into 50 without any remainder, which would mean that 25 is our greatest common factor. And since 25 is the greatest common factor, we are to divide the numerator and the denominator by 25, giving us 1 over 2. Another example of this be 16 over 4. Well, in this case, the denominator, which is 4, goes into the numerator evenly without any remainder. This means that 4 is the greatest common factor, or GCF. So then we would divide the numerator and the denominator by 4, giving us 4 over 1, which is just 4. In the comment section below, leave any further questions, suggestions for future topics, and don't forget to like and subscribe.